Where's our plate? Where's our plate? Oh wait, we don't even have a plate. I guess I'll just use this instead. Ah! Ah! I destroyed it! So angry. What was that loud crack? Bob, what'd you... What? Bob, why did you destroy my plate? Because I wanted to. You didn't get me an ice cream. Bob, that doesn't mean you destroy my plate. What did you do that for? I'm not going to tell you why. Bon, you tell me right now. Why did you destroy my plate? I'm not telling you why. Bon, tell me right now. No, I'm out. Bon, get back here now. Where are you going? Get back here. No, I'm going upstairs to my room. Bon, where are you? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to my room. No, you're not. Get off me. Get off me now. Get off me. No, I'm not getting off you. You listen to me. Why did you destroy my plate? I'm not telling you why. Tell me now. No, I'm not telling you why.